What's up, guys? How's it going? Zoltaev here, aka John. Before I go ahead and get started with this video, I do have some huge announcements regarding Panda Girl, Catgirl, and a new project that you guys are going to be very excited for. I see a lot of potential, that could be made in this project, lots of gains. So before I go ahead and move on over onto those projects, let me go ahead and announce that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes only. Everything I do say in this video is only for educational purposes only and is solely my opinion, all right? Always make sure to do your own research and always invest with what you're willing to lose, okay? This market is very crazy. We can make massive gains or we could go ahead and take very low out of nowhere, okay? So, this market doesn't react the way we want it to. There's so much we could go ahead and base it off of, but there's a lot of outside forces that go ahead and determine what's going to happen in the markets, right? So before we go ahead and move on forward, I do want to talk about Panda Girl. Massive news going on right now. They are buying $100,000 worth of Panda Girl and they're burning them. That is massive news, guys. That is, considering the project is fairly new, couple weeks old, hasn't even been a month, and now they're out here, burning back tokens right now. Another huge news as well is that on their Telegram, if I could go ahead and pull up a screenshot up here, they are beginning marketing on BSC Scan, KuCoin, and CoinGecko as of today, 11/29/2021. So this is crazy. Let's go ahead and head over to the charts. Crazy thing, we have over 16,000 holders right now of Panda Girl. That is crazy. That is literally no one. Like, that's nowhere close to other projects out there, considering the fact the community that's growing right now on Panda Girl and the potential that we have. Like I said, not financial advice, but I see a lot of value in this project. They are going to be doing NFTs, farming. That is a massive thing, okay, guys? So, we're about to break a million of liquidity, which is not bad at all. Like I said, a few weeks old, fairly new. So let's go ahead and hit over to the charts and let's see what we see. We're gonna go ahead and go over to the daily time frame. So as you can tell, this is the release date, which was back on the 13th of November. We had a massive pump, even skipped, and then we had a massive dump. It dumped down to 50%. Hopefully a lot of you guys ended up buying down here. My team and I did buy down here, so we got in early access to the pre-sale. So we're actually right now probably around break even or whatnot. But like I said, I see high potential into this, so I'm holding in for the longer term. So check this out. So the crazy thing about this is that once we had that massive pump, a whale massively took profits. It's probably like a 10x, nothing too crazy. It had a massive dump down of 50%. So if you guys took advantage of that sell, you guys should be up in the green right now. And if not, like I said, not financial advice, but right now it looks like a really good buying opportunity. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you why. So let's go ahead and go over to the 4 hourly chart. So check this out. This chart is amazing. We found strong support around right here, around I would say the 0.18 level. So as you can see, it touched it once, two, three times, and it didn't really touch it, but it almost touched it around here. So that indicates that there's strong support around here. Now, if we were to go ahead and go the other way around, if we do break below this level, just keep in mind that is a very bearish sign. Like I said, there is strong support around this area, so we shouldn't be seeing it drop any lower than that. Considering the fact that they're having that 100,000 buyback, and now they're considering marketing. I mean, now they're implementing marketing, so that is massive. We shouldn't see it drop any. We shouldn't see a drop below here, but like I said, this is a crazy market. It's crypto. It could go parabolic or it could dump. There's really no saying, but technical analysis is going to do whatever it wants to do. All right, guys? So keep that in mind. But I do see strong support around here. As you can tell, I did run up some basic support and resistance lines, and my resistance point was around this 0.20 to 0.30 point. So as you can tell right here, it did end up breaking it just about a few hours ago today. So this second candlestick right here pretty much indicates not yet. I mean, this is an indicator right here that we are going to go ahead and continue an uptrend. But to go ahead and have a full-on confirmation that we are in an uptrend, we would want to go ahead and break above this point right here. So as you can tell, there is some resistance around here. That's where I put this little purple square. Yeah, around there, I would say. This is a resistance point. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this triangle here. My indicator for a full reversal on an uptrend will be, ending with another candlestick up here on the triangle. Once we go ahead and we go inside the triangle, that's an indicator that we are in an uptrend, all right, guys? And like I said, with all these news, there's no surprise that we're gonna go ahead and bounce back. It could be a very similar run, like right here. As you can tell, very similar. It dumped. This candlestick dumped as well, and then it jumped. This one jumped as well. This one was just one bigger wick, and this was just accumulated over time, but it's very similar. I think it's gonna do a similar run like this very soon, especially with BTC right now. If BTC could go ahead and hold above 58,000 as of 11/29/2021, it's looking very bullish so far right now. And if we do go ahead and make new all-time highs on Bitcoin, we should be seeing massive pumps on pandagirl. Like I once said, the nice thing about pandagirl is that it doesn't rely on Bitcoin. Pandagirl is its own community and it's going to do whatever it wants to do. But if Bitcoin does pump to new all-time highs, we should be seeing a lot of movement into a lot of altcoins. Okay, guys. So that's it with pandagirl. Let me go ahead and do some quick updates on it was Catgirl. So I did mention yesterday on Catgirl that they were going to be promoting on Comic Con LA. So they actually did announce today that now you could go ahead and go to comiccon.com and you could go ahead and see that information. And then as well, Catgirl did get listed on Bitmart as well, right, guys? So, massive news for both projects. So before I go ahead and end this video, I do want to go ahead and talk about an NFT that my team and I are working with. We are working with the company DAC LLC. We are working with the NFT for Desean Jackson. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put up the NFT right here. As soon as you guys are done watching that, just go ahead and make sure if you guys want to be part of this NFT, join the Discord down below DAC.LLC to get a chance to go ahead and enter for the pre-sale. All right, guys. So before I end the video, let me go ahead and go into one last project. I just want to go ahead and touch base on that I see lots of value in, and I'll possibly go ahead and make a full video on that right now. But I don't want to make this video too long. So let's go ahead and get started. Is this coin called Kuma Inu? I see a lot of potential into this project. I'm in this project, and right now I think we're going to be getting ready to pump again. But before I go ahead and do that technical analysis, that's going to be for another video. Let's go ahead and see what Kuma Inu has that made me want to go ahead and look into this token. All right, guys. So the nice thing is that what I like about this token a lot is that the community is barely new. As you can tell right here, they haven't even expanded on marketing. They're having their decks coming out soon, which is very nice. They're having some NFTs. So let's go ahead and check out what they have going on right here. I think it's going to be on apps. So the nice thing is that you could go ahead and do farming right now. And the thing I'm really waiting for, and I think is going to be massively big for Kuma Inu, is the DEX. This DEX is going to go ahead and allow you to go ahead and do 25x long or short leverage trading. People are into leverage trading, considering the times that a lot of people get wrecked. That's the reason why there's been massive pumps and dumps in the BTC and the crypto market in general. People just love going long over leverage, and that's what brings liquidation, and that's what we see those massive pumps and those massive dumps when people are going long and short. Okay, guys, but I think that's very good. People like to do the leverage trading, and the nice thing about this, they're going to be doing leverage trading on meme coins, so they're going to be able to do leverage trading on other meme coins, like let's say Deutsche, Elon, or whatnot. So that's very big news. One other thing too, as well, if I could remember, let me see if I could go ahead and find that. If I could remember correctly, Kuma Inu has 50% less tokens out there than Shiba. Let me see if I could find that. Should be around here. I think it is, if I can remember. So, and then they also have their story here, which I completely forgot about it, honestly. But yeah, so like I said, guys, this is a very brand new project as well. I don't want to go ahead and recall about it being 50% less, but if I do remember, it is. But don't take my word on that yet, all right, guys? But let's go ahead and go over with what the stats are real quick. They have about 25,000 holders, which is very new. The community is solid. There's not much going on there. 25,000 people is a fraction of the people that we have out in the world. They have over 9 million of liquidity. So this project is not even known, and they have over 9 million of liquidity, doing over around, in their good days, I believe they do about 1 point something million in liquidity. Keep this in mind. I came from the traditional stock market, and a lot of stocks would not do nowhere near 1 million in a day. I kid you not. There's very few companies out there that do at least 1 million of volume a day. And Kuma Inu, considering the fact that it's on a DEX, has about 25,000 people, and it's fairly new in a lot of exchanges. It's very limited. It's providing that kind of liquidity and that volume. So I think there's a lot of big money down there, and I think it's going to be gearing up to pump. I do want her to go ahead and say, before I end this video real quick, go ahead and make sure to like and retweet this post right here. We are trying to make it a goal to go ahead, for the Kuma Inu community, to go ahead and get this listed on top trending for Twitter, right, guys? As you can tell, this is what the DEX is going to look like. So I'm very excited. It looks very clean, very professional. Very nice chart. They're possibly using like a trading view. I don't know what they're exactly using, but a lot of people are getting hyped up for this. I think this is going to be massive news. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video and possibly go ahead and do some quick TA on Kuma Inu, right, guys? Well, like I said, I appreciate you guys for helping us grow our channel. Go ahead and click down the socials below to go ahead and stay updated. And I'm out.
Yo, what up? This your boy Desean Jackson, and I'm pumped to announce that I'll be working with at DAC LLC to build my upcoming NFTs. If you're interested in getting a hold of one of these, please join at DAC LLC for the Discord launch dates. Don't miss it. We coming soon. Let's get it.